Hi everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to solve a very interesting SQL problem. We have a table of stadium, and in this we have ID, visit date and number of people. So what we have to find out? We have to find out write a SQL query to display the records with 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs, and the number of people is greater than or equal to 100 for each. So we have to find out 3 or more consecutive IDs, and the condition is number of people should be equal or greater than 100. So these are the 5 consecutive IDs. In this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, we have 5 6 7 8 4 consecutive IDs where number of people is greater than 100. So for this, what we have to do, first we will put a filter on the number of people is greater than or equal to 100. So here I will write select star from stadium where number of people greater than equals to 100. So if I execute this query, it gave me all the records where number of people is greater than 100. So now what I will do here, now what we'll do here, we'll find out a ranking. We will find out row number as well. So for this, I will use here row number over order by widget date order by widget date as rank. So if I run this query, it gave me rank. So now see the difference where the ID now see where the consecutive IDs. Now see the difference, IDs and rank, where consecutive IDs, the difference between ID and rank is 2. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. And see here the difference is 1 and 1. So now what we will do here, we will find the difference between ID and rank. So here I will use ID minus row number. I will give name as group. So I will execute this again, and now you see, and now you can see the different where the consecutive IDs, the difference is 2, and for non-consecutive IDs, the difference between ID and rank is 1. So now I will put this whole statement, I will consider it as a table, and I will give name A. Or what we can say, we can use here common table expression as well. So I will put this whole statement into this CT as, and now I will select group count 1 from CTE group by group having count greater than equals to 3. So now you can see where we have to find out consecutive IDs 3 or more. So now we are going to fetch where the count is greater than 3, or where count is 3 or greater than 3. So let's see. So now we find the group, group 2, and now what I will do here, I will select. So let's execute this and see the column name. So here what we want in the output, id visit date. I will select here id visit date, number of people from CTE, where group in I will put this in where condition, and now I can remove this count. There is no need to put. So if I execute this query, I will get the output. So this is the output, and these are the consecutive IDs where number of people is greater than 100. So I hope it's clear to you all, and I will put script in the description box as well. So first try it by yourself, and do let me know in the comment section how did you like this video. So please do consider like, subscribe and share my channel. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.